Do these niches right now and get monetized in just 7 days. Yes, you heard me loud and clear. 7 days you will be monetized. The niches are not yet saturated. That is why you have to run into it right now before it becomes overboard. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be telling you 3 amazing niches which you have to start doing right now for you to get your channel monetized as quick as possible. If you are a new YouTuber, or if you have been doing YouTuber for ages or for a long time now and you are not yet monetized because of the niche you are into or any one reason or the other, wait, cool down. These niches I'm about to tell you now, you should run into it immediately and pick either one of them and start doing, so that you can get your channel monetized as soon as possible and start making money here on YouTube. These niches, I'm going to be showing you channels that are doing the same thing and they are monetized already just with very few videos. So if you are a new YouTuber or somebody who is looking for a niche to start on, you can just pick any of them and start making video on right now. So stick around to the end of this video because the last one is the highest one. Let's dive in. Number 1 in my list is AI Baby Podcast. This niches is going viral and is getting a whole lot of views, even on TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube. You can pick this niche right now and start making video on it. Here are some of the channels that are doing the same thing and they are getting a whole lot of views. You can start making videos on these niches right now and be posting it on your social media platform, either on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube, and before you know it, you will get your channel monetized and start making cool money from it. And the second niche on my list is for you to start doing lessons for students. Yes, now that they are on holidays, you can pick up any subject, any topic that you know that you can teach very well and start teaching them. Or you can even start doing review on WAEC results. Yes, a lot of students are coming to YouTube here to search for how to get their WAEC results, how to get their JAMB results, how to do this, how to do that. You can pick up this niche and start doing it right now, and before you know it, you will get the 1,000 subscriber threshold and the 4,000 watch hours and get your channel monetized as quick as possible. This niche is an evergreen one because people will be coming here on YouTube all the time to search for this particular topic: how to get their WAEC results, how to get their JAMB results, how to get their terminal results. You get? So you should pick this niche now. It's a trending one. It's a niche that people are searching for. So if you pick this niche right now and start doing it, there is no way that in 3 months time that you are not going to get your channel monetized, because students are coming here searching for topics under these niches. The number 3 niche on my list is, look at this channel here, look at this channel here. These are the channels doing the niche that I'm about to tell you now. This niche here is a historical niche about Homo sapiens. This channel started few months ago, but with just 31 videos, they have gotten plenty views and many subscribers. Just look at, is this not mind-blowing? A video that was posted few hours ago has gotten 18,000 views. This is so mind-blowing. Here is another channel doing the same thing, Prehistorical Story, with 8,000 something subscribers and 26 videos. This channel has gotten so many views, massive views. Look at, and the channel started 1 month ago and is having this kind of views. This historical channel, it is a very new one. It is not yet saturated. This particular niche is a very massive one. You can try it out. So let me know on the comment section which of the niches that you want to try out. Okay, and I'll be here to help you out. I can also help you to do the tutorial on how to do any of the videos, especially the AI Baby Podcast and this historical niche. The second niche that I told you, you can just do it by yourself. Okay, you can come here just like the way I'm doing. I'll be doing your lesson, I'll be doing your tutorial. But the AI Baby Podcast and this historical niche, if you want to know how to do it, let me know on the comment section so that I can do research and do a tutorial for you on how to do these videos. Okay, like I always say, here in my YouTube channel I bring to you tools, strategies, ways, ideas in which you can grow your YouTube channel very fast and get monetized. So if you find today's video helpful and interesting, like always, do not forget to give me a thumbs up so that YouTube can share this video to a wider audience. Bye, see you on my next video.